I'm going to show you the mistake that 99% of people make when it comes to building a lean physique with bodyweight exercises. When it comes to exercises that don't require any weight, people often make the mistake of thinking that the beginning is actually the end. They'll look at push-ups, pull-ups, or squats and think doing a lot of them or adding weight to them is the only way to grow, when in reality, doing 100 push-ups a day is an obnoxiously terrible idea, and it isn't the type of goal you want to set if you care about your long-term health. Sure, you'll build muscular endurance by doing high reps, but you won't build much strength, and you definitely won't build much muscle mass, because at a certain point, you're not even applying the fundamental growth principle of progressive overload. So you'll plateau when it comes to both strength and aesthetics. That's when many people make the mistake of thinking bodyweight exercises are just supplementary and that you have to bench press. Instead, it's a much smarter idea to level up with progressions. A progression is just an exercise that's a stepping stone for a more difficult exercise. You can think of progressions like Pokemon. The exercises are meant to evolve as you get stronger. I have all of my clients doing handstand push-up progressions, one-arm chin-up progressions, and split squat progressions that work best for the level they're at. All of these exercises produce the exact same amount of muscle growth as the barbell or free weight alternatives. The added benefit is that you now have a skill along with your new strength and muscle gains. You're not just some inflexible lunkhead, as you can command and control your body weight with ease. If you want to learn more about health and fitness optimization, hit like, bookmark, and I'll see you in the next one.